This is a single-bolt parallel groove connector, part of a family of electrical connectors, including split bolts that linemen call bugs. It's carried in a bug bag. The standard bug bolt sizes are 9/16 and 3/4 inch, sizes not normally available on standard wrenches. But rather than carrying 2 wrenches, salesmen introducing the split bolt connector made their own. Linemen, always looking for tools, were as interested in the new wrenches as they were in the connectors. These original tools led to 9/16 and 3/4 inch speed wrenches, inserted into plastic handles that were the standard split bolt tool for a long time. Seeing the opportunity and innovation, Rockman Utility Products developed the bug wrench. We begin by inserting the wrench ends during the molding process, rather than just pressing them into a finished handle. This creates a wrench with nearly double the end-to-end pulling strength compared to the cold process design. A port inserted into the dielectric handle allows the lineman to confirm the separation of the metalworking ends of the wrench. A ridge on the handle indicates to the lineman the correct position of the hand for dielectric protection. Rockman offers both stamped and forged steel heads. The forged heads have 72 teeth compared to the 24 of standard models, making them easier to use in tight spaces. We were the first to offer a single tool with 4 sizes: 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, and 3/4 inch, most common to T&D apparatus and connectors. Flexible head models are great for use in close quarters. The BW-251 is designed for use in pad mount transformers and secondary pedestals. It combines a forged head with a hex wrench available in 2 or 3 inch working length for transformer bars with covers, while the other end is a stamped head featuring a pentasocket for cabinet access and a 3H hex socket for twist-off equipment locks. And this is just the beginning. At this time, Rockman Utility Products offers more than 75 different standard configurations of the bug wrench. More are being developed as the needs of the working lineman continue to evolve. Another product from Rockman Utility Products designed to help make the lineman's job easier, safer, and more productive.